Hey, what up everyone? This is Lex. It is Monday, August 27th, 2018. What's happening? So today's video, I want to go over my swing trade of CRON. If you watched my video yesterday, which was from my trades last week and Friday, I was talking about the big cannabis boom coming out of Constellation Brands merger with CGC, Canopy Growth, which started off a huge rally in the cannabis sector, mostly Canadian stocks, but some U.S. Cannabis companies are also feeling the rally. Because of that, there's been a bunch of stocks rallying, like CGC, CRON, TLRY was a huge one today. And my play was CRON. I spoke about this on Friday in my video, Cannabis Boom, part 1 and 2. And part 1 was mostly on CRON and CGC. So today, I actually took profits. My video from yesterday, I was talking about when I bought it. If you see this chart here, and I was talking about this bullish flag breakout, I was buying 2 call options when it was around, the underlying price was around a little under $9.90 is where I bought it for. Let's see, what did I buy it for back then? 90 cents. Yeah, 90 cents, and I ended up selling it today for at $2.55. So it was a $330 profit for 183% gain. And I actually posted this on my Twitter as well. If you look here, I posted my, I timestamped it so you guys know I'm legit. Here it is, 2 contracts, $330, 183% gain. So it was a good 2-day swing trade overnight. Not crazy money, but 183% gain. It's not bad. And I've actually traded this, I think, 3 or 4 times. Let's see, my first trade for CRON was $8.15 when the news came out with CGC, and I made $25. Let's see, my second trade for CRON was the 20th, where I made 120 plus 120, and then I also had another one here, the 1019 calls where I made, the 921 calls where I made 377. Plus 377, and then today's win for 330. So $852. That's just off CRON. So I'm pretty psyched about that ticker. I did sell today into strength. It spiked to a new high today at 12.89. I sold in the first minute just because I was up 183%. And the stock is kind of getting a little overextended. If you look at the TD sequential here, you're on a 9. Look at this. Look at this Morningstar Doji. I mean, it's crazy, the rally. This has been up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row. I did hit a new high. I took profits. I will buy back when it pulls back. But for now, I kind of had to take profits. I'm actually also long MJ, which I also spoke about on my video part 2, Cannabis Boom part 2, MJ ETF, which is an ETF that it has holdings of all these stocks that I'm talking about: CRON, TLRY, Kronos Group, Euphoria, ACBFF. So all those stocks are in that ETF, and I'm long 2 contracts for those as well. I'm actually up about $170 on those, but I'm gonna probably hold those until after the legalization gets implemented in Canada on October 19th. I'm going to probably start adding on the dips. And if we look at the MJ chart, it's right here. Look at the daily. This is getting a little overextended too, but it hasn't hit all-time new highs, so I think there's potential more to run, which is what I said on Friday. So I'm just going to continue to hold this. If there are dips, I might add. If this does break out tomorrow to say 35, 36, I might take profits and just wait to buy back in a dip. But for now, I'm cool to start swing trading it just because the part sector is taking off. And if you look at the today's news on TLRY, they just had a contract winner with a Nova Scotia liquor company, and that spiked. up 21% today. So TLRY is up almost like 70% in like 2 weeks. It's kind of insane. So the market is just booming. I don't want to chase here, so I'm going to wait for some pullbacks, but I'm glad I took profits today. Just because it happened so quick in 2 days. You know, can't complain about taking profits for 186% gain. So I am going to keep watching these for pullbacks. So with that being said, we're going to pause for the cause and just celebrate to the big boom in marijuana technologies. I got some cherry pie here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to make sure you like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And as always, safe and happy trading. Talk to you soon.